Hey, what's up, people here? I'm here right now at SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour Thanksgiving Kickoff. And I'll be their guest preacher for today in their Thanksgiving Mass. This is gonna be so exciting. I'll enjoy this too. Okay. Hey, what's up, yo? I'm here right now with SB19. Yeah, congrats to your success. Okay.
Ngayong gabi mismo ginanap ang Simula at Wakas Kickoff Concert Thanksgiving Mass na kung saan nandito sila sa isang hotel sa Araneta, Cubao at narito ang mga kaganapan. Ibinahagi sa atin ng preacher na si John Paul Herrera sa kanyang Instagram stories at post na kung saan siya nga ang nag-preach dito sa Simula at Wakas Thanksgiving Mass.